Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video of me reviewing products or doing a makeup tutorial. Today we are going to be doing a skincare first impressions. I have a whole bunch of products here from Lumene. I think that's how you say it. It's a Norwegian or Finnish skincare brand. This is their 5-minute SOS cream, which I will show you guys in this video. I have already tried everything out. And if you want to see what I think of everything, then just keep watching. So before we get into talking about the products, I just want to disclaimer, I think this stuff is pretty expensive just because when I went to research it online a little bit, there was no prices. So I have no idea what the usual price points are on this stuff. I got all of this stuff on sale for like $4, $2, all within that area. So if you guys want more information, I will leave all the links down below. But other than that, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with an eye makeup remover. This is the Sensitive Touch Gentle Eye Makeup Remover with 100% organic Arctic linen seed. So we're gonna try this out first. And it just says for water soluble makeup, also for contact users, put on a cotton pad and swipe across the eyes and rinse off after. So we're going to start with this. And I didn't read up on any of these products online before I'm doing this because I kind of wanted to see how they operate first. Okay, so this has a little stopper. I don't think there's many people who do like first, oh this is thick, like first impressions on skincare stuff. See how well this takes this off. It does kind of sting when you open your eye. I'm just gonna try and get as much of this. Okay, so it took most of it off. There's just like a teeny tiny little bit here of my eyeliner. Okay, there's one. We'll do the other side. That is the eye makeup remover. So far so good. I really like that. I like that it's not very heavy. Like around my skin is just a little tacky, but it's not like really sticky. Cleanser here. This is the Bright Touch Refreshing Cleansing Foam for cleansing of makeup and impurities. I think I'm gonna use this one and then try this one at a different time. I do like a good foam cleanser. Use morning and night. Apply to moisten face and neck. Rinse thoroughly. So we're gonna try this out. So it doesn't feel sticky, and I would say probably it feels pretty good. Just taking it off, it feels like it is taking off a lot of just like oil and dirt. Like my skin feels a lot lighter. And it's not red or irritating it, just from like over here where it's kind of irritated anyway. So now I think we're gonna do a mask. And this is the Matte Touch Deep Cleansing Peat Mask for normal to oily skin. It says use 1 to 2 times a week. Apply to cleanse skin. Avoid the eye area. You may feel a tingling sensation on the skin. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse with water. So it's pretty simple. Let's push this out. Okay, it's super thick and kind of takes a minute to get going. That's what it looks like. You can feel it tingling already. So it does smell like very earthy. Now we're gonna get it down in here. Alright. I don't really put this kind of stuff on my neck. I usually do like firming treatments on my neck. So this is going to be on for 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, I will come back and we will take this off and see how it goes. So now we're going to take this off. I already dampened this cloth and we're going to see how the skin looks. I might have to get closer to the mirror here. Hold on. On my chin, I think it's definitely brought them more towards the surface. Comes off really easy. So it pulled like a ton of stuff out of my nose, like on the sides here and these little crevices. It pulled so much out. And I'm hoping that when I take it through this section here where it's really bad on like my temple, it looks like it pulled like a lot of those little bumps out, and like there's still this big spot, but it's not as prominent. And I've only used it once. It says use 1 to 2 times a week, so I'll definitely be using this again. When I can see like instantaneous results, that's like, okay, I'll use this again. Okay, so that is the last bit. I'm just gonna kind of feel my skin. It does feel so much less bumpy. Like it feels like, I know there's still some congestion, but compared to, it's so smooth. Like there was a big bump here, that's gone. It feels really smooth, just like this place here, which honestly could probably be extracted. It feels very smooth and it feels almost like tight. So it feels very, very clean. So now I'm going to just wipe my face down with my toner. I don't have a toner from Lumene, so I will be just using my Clean and Clear toner. So now we're going to use the 5-minute SOS cream. And this is for dry, cracked, and irritated skin. Formulated to restore the skin well-being in 5 minutes. So I'm just going to take a bit of this. I'm going to put it right here. Just because the skin is so red and inflamed, I think this could help. Just rub this in. So there we have it with that. Now the last thing I have I'm going to be using as a night cream is not from Lumene. It's from Mineral Fusion. And it's Minerals on a Mission. This is the Limitless Beauty Cream with coconut oil, multitasking creamy oil, restores and protects skin for all skin types. And it says on here you can use it to moisturize lips, tame your eyebrows, apply to dry elbows, nourish cracked heels, soften cuticles, or simply use as a hand cream or super rich night cream. Apply before doing makeup and it'll make your skin dewy. So I'm gonna say I have to shake this up just because it's an oil base. I want it to be nice and mixed. Let's try this out. Squeeze a small amount from tube, apply with fingers. We're going right on the lips first because they're so cracked. I'm just gonna let this soak in, and I think I'm gonna put like a little bit under my eyes. Over. Let's give it a shot. We'll just kind of use it as like a beauty oil. So that is everything, you guys. My final thoughts are that I really like the mask. Definitely my favorite product. I think the SOS cream is kind of working because this all right here is much less red. It's not really showing up on camera. But we'll see what happens on this side. This side is obviously the more irritated side. So I really like this stuff. We'll see how the oil works. But yeah, even the face wash was good. So when I try the other face wash, I will review it and let you guys know. But if you can afford this stuff, I would say give it a shot. Check out your grocery stores. That's where I got mine at, and it was all on sale. So maybe if your grocery store is not in a very high income area, you might be able to get this on sale. So that is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.